What if I told you that the AI models powering everything from ChatGPT to advanced translation apps understand language not by reading word by word, but by looking at all words at once, like a super-fast speed reader? It's a revolutionary idea that changed AI forever. For years, AI struggled with language. Traditional models processed words one after another, like reading a book line by line. This made it hard for them to grasp the full context of a long sentence, or understand how words far apart related to each other. Imagine you read the sentence, "The boy saw the cat on the mat, and it purred." To know what it refers to, you need to remember cat. But if the sentence was much longer, remembering that link became incredibly difficult for older AI, often leading to confusion. Then, in 2017, a paper titled "Attention is All You Need" introduced the transformer architecture. This wasn't just an improvement, it was a paradigm shift. It gave AI a superpower, the ability to pay attention to different parts of a sentence simultaneously. At its core, a transformer has two main parts, an encoder and a decoder. Think of the encoder as the reader that understands an input sentence, and the decoder as the writer that generates a new output sentence based on that understanding. Before any processing, words need to be converted into numbers, or embeddings. Each word becomes a vector, a point in a multidimensional space. This is how the AI actually perceives and processes words, turning human language into machine-readable data. But wait, if words are processed all at once, how does the AI know their order? This is where positional encoding comes in. It's like adding a small, unique tag to each word's embedding that tells the model its exact position in the sequence. So, order still matters. Now for the secret sauce, self-attention. Imagine you're in a group discussion, and everyone needs to understand a complex topic. You don't just listen to the person speaking, you also consider how their words relate to what everyone else has said, weighing their importance. Self-attention lets each word in a sentence look at every other word to figure out its meaning in context. For "the boy saw the cat on the mat, and it purred," the word it would pay attention to cat more than boy or mat, because cat is the one that purrs. How does it pay attention? Through three special vectors for each word: a query, a key, and a value. Think of it like this: if you're looking for a specific book in a vast library, your query is what you're searching for, say, AI history. The keys are the book titles or tags on the spines. When your query matches a key, you retrieve the value, the actual content of that book. In self-attention,